ಸೊ ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ಚೇತನ್ ಅವರು ಕುಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಫುಲ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಹಾರಿ ಅಮನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಚಾಟ್, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ निगा ಅದು ಹೊಸ क्लीन शेव ನೋಡಿ.
आप जिस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं वो एक AI जनरेटेड वीडियो है.
अच्छा, अमन का पीजी में बन रहा है पास्ता. पीजी ओनर को नहीं बताया है. अमन, तेरा पीजी ओनर को क्या बोलना चाहता है?
ये सब भाई परमिशन दिया करो यार, ये सब खिलाने के लिए यार. खाना तो इतना चूतिया बनाते हो तुम लोग. कम से कम इंडक्शन के लिए तो भाई परमिशन दो.
Just eat it.
So hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see. The catch is that I am going to make some announcement here, as my beginning year is completed. Now I am an intermediate lifter, not a beginner lifter anymore. Like up to 1 year you are a beginner stuff. 2 to 3 years, after completing 3 years your intermediate step is completed. In the 4th or 5th year you are being known as advanced lifter. But if you don't have the knowledge of being intermediate or advanced lifter, you are still beginning no matter you train 6 years. The thing I am making to announcement is here that I want to focus on more on heavy compound lifts like bench press, squats, deadlifts, overhead press, weighted pull-ups, weighted dips, heavy barbell rows and stuff. Because overweighted compound lifts, what they do is they suppress the myostatin level for short period of time. When it is combined with 8 hours of sleep and 150 grams of protein, it will suppress the myostatin, which will increase in muscle growth. Okay, so muscle growth is very important. In the beginning years, one should focus on building the mass and mind muscle connection. After building the mind muscle connection, when you go to intermediate or advanced level, you can carry on with the isolated movements like bodybuilder type. I like to do the hybrid combination of powerlifting and bodybuilding to get the best of the both worlds. Okay, the catch is that I will be focusing. I have a certain number in my mind, and powerlifting is fun because every week every session you'll have a goals to accomplish. Like this week I benched 80 kg, next week I'm going to bench 82.5 kg, and next week 85 kg, like that. When you do that, accomplish that goal, you will get the dopamine rush and it will make you achieving something greater, and it will be more fun. That's why powerlifting is more fun. But only powerlifting is create an imbalance, so we have to balance with hypertrophy works. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna say. You continue to watch the video.
here we have a new watermelon flavored